These are my 6 example points. The 2 on the lower right hand side are placed over each other. To find these features, you can use an easy SQL query. For that, you need the DB manager. If this button is not applied in your QGIS version, go to Plugins, Manage and Install Plugins and search for DB. Activate the DB manager. Open the DB manager and activate the right layer. In my case, it's placed under virtual layers. To open the SQL menu, click on this button on the upper left hand side. With this query, every available feature in the layer will be displayed with its geometry type and the X and Y coordinate. To count the features based on the geometry column, insert a comma and add this to your query. Okay, we get a new column back and a total count of 6. To give the new column a better name, add this to your query. The count result should be grouped by the X and Y coordinate. To do it, append this to the query. Now we get 4 times 1 and 1 times 2 as a result back. To find the right feature, we need an inner query. To execute this, make parentheses before and after the query, move it a line downwards, and add this to select all the 5 rows from the inner table. Now I give the result table a name. You don't have to do this, but this is in some cases a better way. To find the features with more than one feature per row, add this to the query. This is my double feature. Click on Load as new layer and on Load.